Hey everybody, here we are going tutorial number 5 of the Pat McGrath, 25 Days of Christmas Past with Pat McGrath. Got a good ring. Nirvana, Celestial Nirvana. Here we are on number 5. The past 4 have been quite amazing, but today I will do Nightfall and Cosmic Champagne, which will be these two. Keeping it more one and done, pretty simple. The last one, which I'll put here, loved it, adored it. Cut, edit, print, post, yes. Very ethereal, very cosmic. But I am excited to get back into this. So without further ado, let me go and prep my eyes with the Pro Filt'r Eyeshadow Primer from Fenty, and we'll get into this tutorial. But down to 5, 20 more to go. It is mid-August right now. And the weather decided to get so bright again and hot. But I am quite excited. 25 tutorials, number 5 as of right now. I'm really looking forward to breaking down this palette more, dissecting it with these other looks that I want to start getting into. As usual, I never know what kind of look I'm going to do. All I know is I am going to do a look with this palette for the most part. But moving forward, still keeping it simple, still using the Beautiful Skin Radiance Foundation, Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer as well, 8 warm, 8.5 medium. Keeping my complexion for the most part the same throughout the series because I need to go through that before I want to get other things. Not other things. I should start using my Pat McGrath foundation as well with the concealer. But for the most part, keeping it simple, very, very simple, very, like I have these as well, NARS Light Reflecting Skin, Natural Longwear, Natural Radiant Longwear. Because I think after I go through my Char, I actually want to start mainly using NARS for a lot more of my complexion. And maybe the Pat McGrath I have, because for my photo shoots, for my models, for my photography, I mainly use Urban Decay's Naked Skin. I also have the Airbrush Flawless Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury, which I love. Becca, I have those as well. I have Too Faced, but I also incorporated Patrick Tall, which I also do love. I mean, I need to really downsize everything I am using, but for the most part, 2026 is going to be a year of deep diving into things I already use. I don't want to really buy anything new. There's no point. But for the most part, let me go and prep my eyes and we will get into this tutorial. Eyes are prepped with the Pro Filt'r Eyeshadow Primer. We are going to go into Nightfall. It's Nightfall, right? Yes. And just like the other ones, we are just going to go ahead and start carving out the base of what we want for this look. There we go. So tutorial number 5, sun is popping back out. Summer has started again. But for the most part, I am really enjoying the breakdown of this palette. Obviously, there is a great selection as far as neutrals, colors, vibrancy, yada yada, the whole shebang. But I do feel like this is a great addition to have within the brand, considering all the other colorful ones that they have, especially with some of their quads. But I would love for them to go back to their shimmer shades. The special shades for the quads would be amazing again, just like one last time before they reformulate everything, or do quads of the new formulation would be amazing, so we could get adjusted and acquainted with that new product. But just like this, I feel like browns really do nothing for my eyes. because they tend to just make them look darker because I already have brown eyes. Blues, purples, as of lately greens, because I did the Natasha Denona green smoky look. I'll put here. I think I still have it. Beautiful, breathtaking, and yeah, so I'm excited to dive more into other colors to pop out the brown eyes a lot more. But let me go ahead and blend this out, and then we will continue with this. This is where we are at, blend it out. Gonna go ahead and go back in and just go ahead and start to pack it on, just to start to get that smokiness going on with this palette and with this look. But yeah, like I said, for the most part, browns aren't something I go to, but the reality of it, neutrals do sell no matter what. So we will continue. I mean, even that with just like a clear, maybe even with the Desert Divinity all over, ooh, that would be a nice one too. Getting ideas and inspiration. But yes, this Nightfall is quite a beautiful color, actually, to be quite honest. If you have green eyes, blue eyes, hazel eyes, this for a smoky look for you, beautiful. Beautiful, because especially if you don't want to go with the black, this will be good. All right, building it up to the intensity you want it, as you shall. Going back in and just go ahead and start to redefine that crease again and just start to smoke everything out. Perfect. All right, so this is where we are at as of right now. Now I'm gonna go in with my finger to Cosmic Champagne, and I went ahead and lined the waterline with PMGLABLOVE. But to this, stop. 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 This is, now we're talking. Now we are definitely talking. This is, this is what we're talking about. I'm obviously gonna go back in to emphasize this, but also to just blend that in. This is definitely more of a cool tone champagne. Well, I don't know if this truly is a cool tone champagne on its own, but with this Nightfall, it really comes out cool toned for sure. But this, y'all, this is what I'm talking about. This is, I really don't think this had a moment via when it first came out, but I'm giving it its moment now. So if you stumble upon this, this is a moment that actually brought out the brown in my eyes just a little bit more, which is nice. That champagne. But for the most part, yeah. This is, this is a moment. This is a Nightfall moment for Christmas in the middle of August. Augustus is what is going on right now. This is where we are at. I am digging this. I really love, yeah, that's still there. Because yesterday I did tutorial number 3 and 4, and today's tutorial number 5. Taking a break today because I need my eyes to rest. But tutorial number 5, this is where we are at. This is yes, this is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and you guys will see the final look in a moment. This is the final look of tutorial number 5, Pat McGrath. 25 Days of Christmas Past with Pat McGrath, Celestial Nirvana. Love it. This, I am really, really digging this look. This is beautiful. So, tutorial number 5, 20 more to go. We are going to do this, and I hope you guys are enjoying this. And like I said, if you have this palette still, pull it out. Hopefully getting more ideas, or you have it, don't know where to go. Here's an encyclopedia for you. Now, for the breakdown of the products. I'm not gonna lie, I am having a really good skin day, despite the fact that obvious and texture. I mean, this is what skin looks like in real life, to be quite honest, but from a distance, it's just that this foundation, the thing with Charlotte Tilbury is that it's so, the undertone is always so heavily yellow, which is really annoying. But for the most part, it's just for the gram. Primer is the Luminous Blur Stick from Milk Cosmetics. Under eye corrector, same-o. I actually love how my brown eyes are coming out more with this look. Ooh. Christian Dior Flash Luminizer and Charlotte Tilbury's Vanish at number 2. Under eye setting powder, I actually went in with the Guerlain, the Meteorites Compact in 3 medium under my concealer. The great thing about this is that you can use it all over the face, but I actually use these two to kind of brighten under the concealer. You can use these two to brighten, or you can strictly use the pink, or you can use more of the peach. The great thing about the Compact Meteorites is that you could kind of adjust your own brightness, overallness, and stuff like that. How many grams of product are in here? 8 grams of product. And I just love the smell of Guerlain. I love the smell of Guerlain. It's bougie, and I love it. That's what I have on. 8.5 medium for the concealer, 8 warm for the foundation. Bronzers, Airbrush Flawless bronzer in 310. Blush is Pat McGrath and Nude Venus 2. Yes. This was the holiday release. I forgot when, but and the subtle glow it has in it as well is gorgeous. Brows are still benefits. Setting is going to be the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and lips are going to be Lip Cheat. Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner and Love Trap with Pat McGrath Opulous Gloss and Pale Fire Nectar. Tutorial number 5. Loving this palette, loving this look. It is really yellow for some reason. Or is it just me? This is warm. Ooh. This is cool. Let's keep it in natural lighting. Anyways. Tutorial number 5. Definitely quite a few more to go. Oh, and I also did the NARS Translucent Crystal Light Reflecting Setting Powder and Translucent on top, just under the eye area. Yeah, tutorial number 5. We are definitely diving deeper into this, and I'm looking forward to creating more other looks with this. Of course, I think 6 through 19 are going to be strictly this, and then 19 through 25, I will do 2 tutorials specifically dedicated to this first 6 with the Sublime. This 2 tutorials dedicated with this in conjunction with the Subversive, and 2 tutorials to finish off Christmas with the Sunlit Seduction with these 6 warm ones, because, you know, Christmas. And I'm excited to see how this is going to unfold as we go along, as we play with this more, as we dive deep for 25 tutorials, and hopefully to be able to dissect this palette a lot more. It is my goal. I don't know. It is mid-August right now. Don't know what the holiday drop will be for Pat McGrath, but I will do my best to resist, to not get it. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this, and I will see you guys next tutorial.